In today's video, how to record your computer audio in Audacity. Ensure Audacity is closed before making changes to audio settings. Open Settings app and navigate to Sound. This will open a classic sound control panel. Go to Recording tab, right-click in empty space in the list of devices and select Show Disable Devices. Find Stereo Mix in the list, right-click on it and select Enable. Right-click on Stereo Mix and choose Properties. Go to Listen tab and ensure Listen to this device option is unchecked. Click on OK to close Properties window. Next, launch Audacity application. Click on Recording Device drop-down menu. On Main toolbar, go to Device tab and in Recording section choose Stereo Mix. From drop-down menu, click on Record button in Audacity. Your computer audio will now be captured. Play audio or video you want to record, and Audacity will record audio output. When you are done, click on Stop button in Audacity.